Good morning everyone. We are at Mackay at Tropic Accessories and this is Henrik. How you doing, Henrik?
Hi Cole, good thanks.
We're here not for all of your canopies, not even for your bull bars or your draw systems that they've got here. We're here to get our truck rust proofed, and that is what Tropic Accessories specialise in, is rust proofing of vehicles. So how long have you been here doing rust proofing?
I've been here for 6 years.
Yeah.
The business has been here for, they started in 1965 on this premises, rust proofing, and I'm the third owner of this business. So we've always been specialising in that, in this Mackay region, especially for the mines, and then also because of all the beach work everyone's doing.
Yeah, that's our problem, I think, a little bit too much beach.
That's right.
And we've developed some rust spots and light rust on the chassis and in the bodywork, which I'll show you. So hopefully we can fix all of that up. So what do you do? How do you treat or stop the rust?
Yeah, first of all, we do a rust proofing. So the most important part is basically to try and stop rust before they start. Like in your case, we have a vehicle that's already has some rust on it. It's not a lot, but we can help you with that. So we need to get that surface as good as we can possibly clean and ready for paintwork. In that process, we need to clean it properly. And then also rust converter, just to make sure that we try and neutralize that rust a bit, and then we give it a good thick coating of bitumen-based underbody coating with some cavity wax in all the little box sections, just around the seals and seams. Usually that's where the most of the rust starts.
That's where ours is anyway.
Yeah.
So it'll be best obviously to get it to have a brand new vehicle.
That's right, yes.
So do you have to treat it for rust? Do you do that as well for a brand new vehicle? Or
Yes.
you do that as well?
90% of our cars will be brand new that we do over here. It's better to catch the rust before they start. Once it's there, it's very hard to get rid of it.
Yeah.
That's the thing, you know. We try and stop it before it starts.
Yeah. Okay. So how long would a normal vehicle take, like a light four-wheel drive or a dual cab?
A brand new car is from, if it's not raining, if we have a good day like today, we take 1 full day to do that. You'll have it back the same day if it's not raining. If it's raining, you know, it's going to stay the night just to dry.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And ours is a little bit different, obviously.
Yes.
Because it's a truck, so trucks are by special appointment and special inquiry only.
Yes,
just depending on their size and what they look like and whether you can fit them in and all of that sort of
That's
thing.
right, yes. We only have 2 post hoists, so we won't be able to pick it up and do it like we want to do it.
So it's a little bit more difficult then?
It's a bit difficult. You're going to crawl on your back doing it.
Yeah, so the guy's got to get in the ground.
That's right, yes.
They won't be happy with me.
No, they won't, but it's all right, you know, that's our job.
We would like to thank Hendrik and the team at Tropic Accessories for helping us out, as trucks are not their normal type of vehicle. It has been a couple months since we had the truck rust-proofed, and we are still very happy with their work. Tropic Accessories recommends yearly checkups if possible. This inspection allows them to complete any touch-ups that may be required resulting from stone chips or anything like that.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell, and remember, we always love a thumbs up. If you'd like to be more involved, check out our Patreon page or our website